Question number 21. The cross section of piece of metal 4 meter in length is in 4 meter as shown below. I have to calculate the area of cross section, volume of the piece of metal in cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeters means centimeter cube. Then if 1 cubic centimeter of metal weighs 6.6 gram, then calculate the weight of piece of metal to the nearest kg. So clearly here is the diagram, and I am going to split from that side. Okay, from that side I am going to cut this from that side. So clearly the first figure is rectangle and the second figure is in the form of right angle triangle. Okay, so total area of cross section is the first area of rectangle plus area of triangle. I have to calculate the entire area, and to calculate the entire area I split this diagram into two parts. Number 1 is rectangle and number 2 is right angle triangle, and by adding these two terms I am going to get the desired result. So here area of rectangle is length into breadth. Area of rectangle is that length into breadth. So clearly the length is 10 centimeter and breadth is 12 centimeter. The length is 10 centimeter and breadth is 12 centimeter. Don't take it as 16 centimeter because the entire 16 centimeter is from that to that side. Okay, and not 7.5 because 7.5 is from that to that. So I'm going to take this part which is 10 and this part which is 12. So length into breadth is clearly 12 into 10. So first part is 12 into 10. Here clearly area of rectangle length into breadth 12 into 10. And the formula of area of right angle triangle. Area of right angle triangle is half base into perpendicular. So half, I have to calculate this base, this, okay, and this one. This is my height and this is my base. So clearly from that point to that point the length is 16 centimeter, and from that side to that side this is 10 centimeter. Okay, here the entire is 16 centimeter and half that is 10 centimeter. So what is the length of this part? 16 minus 10 is that 6 centimeter. So it's clearly 6 centimeter. This one is 6 centimeter, and I have to calculate this one. So from that to that side it's 12. Okay, and this one half is 7.5. This one is 7.5, and to calculate 12.0, that is 7.5, 10.55, 11 subtracted by 7, I have 4. Okay, so it's clearly 4.5. So it's 4.5, and by calculating 2 3 the 6, I have the formula 13.5, and by adding I will get 133.5. Okay, half into 3 into 4.5, that is, here is the 6, sorry, 2 3 is a 6, 4.5 into 3, 13.5, and I have to add these two terms. So I am going to write 13.5 is that 120.0. So 533. So it's clearly 133.5 centimeter square. Now next, volume of the piece of metal in cubic centimeter. Volume of the piece of metal in cubic centimeter. So what I have to do, I am going to calculate the volume. So whenever I am going to multiply area with the length, that is 133.5 into 400. Why I wrote 400 there? Because the length is, it's 4 meter. Okay, so it's 4 meter. So but the unit are centimeter square. It is in centimeter square, and to calculate it equally I am going to multiply this term with 4 into 100. I multiplied with 100 to convert it into centimeter, so I will get 53400, that is 53,400 centimeter cube. Now I have to calculate the weight of 1 cubic centimeter. Weight of 1 cubic centimeter is 6.6. So what is the weight of 53,400 cubic centimeter is 6.6 multiplied by 53,400. Okay, don't do the extra cutting, just do this way. 66, I have removed the point, into 53400. Okay, so I have to calculate in kg because this is given in gram. It is in gram. Okay, so in 1 gram there are 1/1000 kg, so that's why I divided with 1000, and by cutting 2 zeros, just 10 is left. You are going to multiply this one and then make a point there. Okay, here is also 6.6, so there is 10. Clearly don't get confused, there is 6.6, so I am removing that point, into 10, 53400, and to convert gram into kg I am going to divide with 1000, and after calculating the entire term you will get 352.440 kg, or approximately 352 kg.